My name is Christopher Volpe. I am the building principal here at the George L. Catchermone Elementary School in Long Branch, New Jersey.
Phyllis, you killed it.
Today, we are so excited to be hosting the Monmouth County Debate Tournament along with the American Debate League.
The Con argue that personal freedom is more important, but we argue that with freedom comes responsibility. Individuals who choose not to vaccinate are creating a health risk to many others.
The topic is whether or not you should be forced to be vaccinated. And originally, the kids all thought, no, there's no way you should ever be forced to do anything. But once we went through the process of discovery and we actually studied it, a lot of the kids now believe that, yes, everyone should be vaccinated.
The impact the judge should weigh most heavily is the moral obligation to end family separation and the harm to innocent children.
Today, I had a wonderful debate. It's an amazing experience to be a part of such an amazing event. I've got so much friends, and we depend on each other. We count on each other for this information.
Since most people who have access do get vaccinated anyway, the risk of allowing individual choice are outweighed by the violation of liberty caused by the resolution.
I enjoy having these debates here. I think it's a big opening for New Jersey and for the boys and girls of other school districts besides Long Branch.
We all learn from our mistakes. We all learn from our wins and our victories and our losses and our defeats. But overall, it's just an amazing experience. And if you would, I'd encourage you to join debate too.
We're excited because debate offers so many opportunities for the students to increase their vocabulary and also develop skills that they can use further in their life.
Greatest thing that I find with debate is that students build confidence in speaking, and that confidence spills over into their classrooms and to other after-school programs.
Looks like everybody had a great day here today, and I want to congratulate everybody for being here, not just the winners, but all those that participated.
And it's really exciting to see students take such a current issue and bring it to life through their research, their decision-making skills, and of course, their debating back and forth with their team members.
Debate is important because of the ability to communicate, the ability to articulate a subject that you may or may not fully understand.
I was very shy, very shy. If I was doing this right now, before, I probably wouldn't answer anything at all. But once I started getting into debate, it really helped me with my self-confidence.
I'm very excited for American Debate League coming to New Jersey.
I want to thank my mom, God. I want to thank the Lord. I want to thank my debate coaches, and especially I want to thank the man above for giving me this.